Something about this place don't feel right.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténgase alejado de las puertas. We are now arriving at the station, and be sure to ride our Angry Anaconda coaster opening before exiting Safari Express. Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténgase alejado. Hello, and on behalf of the Nuka Corporation, we'd like to welcome each and every one of you aboard the Nuka Express Monorail. For your own safety, please remain seated or utilize the provided handrails while the train is in motion. If you'll direct your attention to the right side of the monorail, you can observe Nuka World's famous Fizz-Top Mountain. Standing at over 100 meters tall, Fizz-Top Mountain is the largest man-made structure in Nuka World and features the 5-star Fizz-Top Grill. Coming up in the heart of Nuka World, Nuka Town, USA, featuring the Cola Cars Arena, the Bradburton Amphitheater, and the Parlor Dinner Theater. And kids, don't forget to tell your parents to bring you to the Nuka Cade, where you can play